So guys, this is the video of the most spiciest deer of all time. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Now we're gonna prepare the most spiciest version of upma. Let's put some cow's fat in a pan and some mustard seeds. For the mild aroma, put some curry leaves. Then put some onions and enjoy the sizzling sound of the food. Then put some semolina and mix it properly. After pouring the water, add 6 green chilies, and then 6 tablespoons red chili powder. And then it's done, the most spiciest upma of all time.
So guys, I made this type of thing which is a
Upma,
and the chilliest
upma.
of Indian style. And that's a dare for me to eat whole
Upma.
without work. So let's try it. I can't complete this dare of eating spicy food of this type of level. I am full of sweating and tears in my eyes because of this food. You can try this if you dare, but I can't do this. I need some water.